Hi, my name is Bhanuprakash. In today's session, I am going to show how we can generate a thumbnail for your YouTube videos using the AI technology. Okay, there are many open sources which are available in the market where you can generate a thumbnail for a given topics. Okay, the first step is AI thumbnail generation for YouTube. Create a YouTube thumbnails using the artificial intelligence, and you don't require any specific skills for you. Free online tools available in the market. Topic based thumbnails. Example, if I want to generate a thumbnail on the topic called Spring Boot, microservices, or any other topic, you give the topic and it will generate a thumbnail for you. We'll be seeing a practical example on it. The next one is why thumbnail matters in the YouTube. The first impression of your video, your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see before deciding to click on it. Okay. The second one is increase the click through rate CTR. Compiling the thumbnails drive more clicks and the engagement. Third point, helps video stand out in the search. Eye-catching design make your content more discoverable. The fourth point, clear thumbnails attract more viewers. Okay, if your thumbnail is proper and more clicks and views will increase. Okay, there are many tools available in the market, but for this demo purpose, I'll be using the Microsoft Copilot. It's very easy to generate a thumbnail using the Microsoft Copilot. Advantage for this, free AI image generation tool, works with the text-based prompts. You give it a particular topic, it generates a thumbnail for you. High quality images, it will be generating for you. Best for the topic-based thumbnails. Here are the how we can open. You can open the Copilot Microsoft.com and you can create the image based on the topic. You can enter the topic and it will generate a thumbnail for it, and you can download it and you can use in your YouTube. Final tips, add bold text using the Canva, 3 to 5 words. Keep your message short and impactful for the maximum readable. Use high contrast colors. Make your thumbnail pop and stand out in crowded search results. Keep design clean and simple. This is very important. Avoid clutter. Clarity is the key for small thumbnail sizes. Better thumbnails, more clicks. Invest time on your thumbnails to grow your channel faster. Let me see how we can generate a thumbnail using the, you can see here, if I want to generate a thumbnail for a Spring Boot and microservices, here you can give a prompt, generate a thumbnail for the Spring Boot and microservices, and click on it. This might take some time to generate the image. Let me wait. Here you can see it started generating the thumbnail for you. This might take a little time. So it started designing based on the prompt, whatever you have given, and it started generating the thumbnail. So if you see it has what based on your prompt, it was generating the thumbnail for the given topic. Okay, and also it gives the correct images for it. Here you can see. So here you can see the topic, and here you can click, and here you can see the download option where you can download, and it will go to the download.